ready for Sports Day! Yay! For a healthy body, you may play sports and be happy, having fun all day with family and friends. For a healthy body, you may play sports, it's so funny! Come on everyone! Come on guys! We are playing basketball, dribbling, passing, shooting balls. Oh, you can try to score! You just scored a goal! You can try to score as well. Practice is the way to learn. Come on, honey, don't be scared. You just scored a goal! If you wanna try, you can practice yoga now. You just need your mat and follow the steps. You'll be flexible, kind and brave and strong. You'll be singing You're going to be so quiet and breathing all along. This is so relaxing. In and out, breathe in and out. Or if you feel like running, we can play football. Everybody gather up into teams, cause we are going to have some fun today. Yay!